I just came back to Montreal. I was in Mexico for a few days. Yeah, I was in Mexico for a few days. I was supposed to go relax and surf for about 2 weeks. But I had to come back after 7 days because one of the acrobats in the show had to get a surgery on his wrist. So we're doing a bit more rehearsal with the new acrobat who's gonna replace him. We have rehearsal today and tomorrow with the new acrobat before leaving Montreal for the European tour.
Head south on Rue Schreiber-Est, Quebec 138 west toward Rue Wolf.
Toute fin. We just spent the last 2 days training with the new guy. It's going well. We're leaving for the European tour in 4 days. But I have a situation I need to manage before leaving Montreal. And I have another situation to deal with. So if you didn't know, I dropped my apartment 3 years ago because I was traveling too much that I didn't see the point of paying a rent all year long to not be in Montreal. I'm in Montreal for about a month and a half, maximum 2 months per year. So I think it's a loss of money of paying rent. So when I dropped my apartment 3 years ago, I give away all my furniture to a student who was coming to Montreal, and I store all my stuff to a friend place. So I was keeping few boxes to a family friend that is really close to me and my family and live in a suburb of Montreal because I don't need to have access often to this box. And all the stuff that I need more often, I keep it here. It's a friend who bought an apartment 2 years ago and have a spare room. So it was like a few circus artists who store stuff here. But 2 years after, things changed. She need the room back to do something else. So I need to move all my stuff. Let me show you. So this is all the stuff I own. This is like my motorcycle helmet, coffee, books, some souvenir from touring, camera gear, clothes. I also have my camera bag here, but that's it. That's everything I own. I visited a storage yesterday that I signed for. Probably one of my good friends gonna come to help me today. Yeah, should be easy. Okay, let's go to the storage. So, I'm on my way to pick up the car. Montreal in the construction is crazy. It's construction everywhere. Fucking orange can everywhere. I love this concept. Whoever create Communauto, do job. That's a really great concept. Love it. Is the there are like the new hybrid cars that don't make any sound when you turn it on. It's super weird.
les piétons.
C'est le mec de la caméra. So we found a lift, but we don't know if it's going to where we want. Let's try. Enter. Ça marche-tu? Bon. That's a fail.
C'est pas stylé. Dans 2 ans on achète, c'est parfait.
C'est parfait. We finished to move all the stuff to the storage yesterday. Thanks to my friend Jerome who came to help me with the boxes. Thank you. I'm leaving tomorrow for the European tour. I just have a few more stuff to do before leaving. I just have to... Hey everyone, I'm in Europe in my hotel room. I'm editing this video right now and I was supposed to put the unboxing of the travel jumpsuit at the end of this video, but I think this video started to be too long, so I'm gonna end this video right now and I'm gonna put the unboxing in another video, probably just dedicate to the unboxing. If you want to follow the adventure in Europe, follow me on Instagram. You can also subscribe to the channel to don't miss any video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!